Hey guys, I'm Ryan O'Connor, and if you're watching this video, then you've hit my landing page because you might be thinking about taking my brand new course from blank page to SaaS company. This is the most comprehensive course I've ever done. It literally takes you from nothing other than a blank page right through to an operational, successful software as a service company. And of course, we're going to be using GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel as the infrastructure and software and the vehicle behind the success of what we're going to do. We're going to cover off everything fundamentally from, what is software as a service. We're going to be looking at growth and how to enable growth and having a mindset of growth. We're going to be looking at revenue modeling and what it means to win by design and create predictable, scalable, repeatable revenue operations within your business so that you have sustainable monthly recurring revenue and sustainable growth as well. We're going to look at the marketing mix in a lot of detail. Usually that means that the 7 Ps. We're going to get granular on things like product, place, price, promotion. And then we're going to start looking at things that make up the value of a software company, things like unit economics. And of course, we want to go deep into GoHighLevel itself. So we're going to cover off everything from account management, triggers, the calendar system, the phones, emails, opportunities, of course, reporting, reputation management, social media, the funnel builder, campaigns, contacts, payments, things from legal, webhooks, and memberships, integrations, widgets, and everything in between, because we want you to be as proficient on the system as possible. We've never gone into this much detail with regards to GoHighLevel before. Then we're going to turn our attention back to sales execution, and we're going to look at how do we acquire new customers, net new customers on autopilot in a scalable, repeatable way. But how do we then do sales execution? How do we do a sales presentation? How do we convince someone to go and buy a subscription to our software company? Then we're going to look at onboarding, activations, and we're going to create a customer success function for you, whether or not you do it yourself or it's time to pass to a team of virtual assistants or a done-for-you service as part of GoHighLevel's extended partner network. Then we're going to look at support and retention, and all of those functions act as customer success, but we're going to go deep into what is essentially the customer lifecycle in its entirety. So I can't wait to have you on board. We are running live sessions throughout this cohort. So cohorts run quarterly. We run live sessions, and the first session of this cohort, we're going to have none other than the co-founder of GoHighLevel himself, Sean Clark, for an Ask Me Anything session as well. This session is actually free, but the course itself is a paid course, and there will be free sessions dripped in and out throughout. So join me, smash that button, sign up. Let's create your software as a service company today.